Morning, folks. Out trying for a little trout this morning. I was up earlier looking for salmon up to the Bellevue River, but nah, nothing on the go up there. I was talking to a guy this morning. He was up there all morning since daylight. Seen one fish jump, but nah, it's just not taken. So anyway, and there's not much water in the river. They use it, part of that river you can fish out in the pond. So I don't have a boat this morning. I didn't bring the boat with me. So anyway, that's fine. So I'm going back now to try for a few trout. So. And no worms today. Gonna be trying with the fly rod. Haven't tried the fly rod all season for trout, and it's my favorite way of fishing for trout. So we're gonna try that this morning. Oh, don't get tangled up my line. Tiny ones this morning, guys. I'll let these guys go. I got barbarous hook, so makes it easy to let them go. Little tiny guys. They're not very big, folks. Just tiny guys, but fun to catch. No, oh, see, yeah. Got a barbarous hook on, so that's so good. That'll help. Quick release. Oh, see, he's gone. He's left. It's a little bigger. Not much bigger, but I won't be keeping any of these today, guys. Just here for a bit of fun. He's not big enough to keep anyway. He's not feisty. Go back to next year, buddy. No water here either. That's the problem right now. No water. They jump right out of the water. Right out of the water after it. Of course, I found the tree. He took it. There he's gone. Tiny, tiny things. Well, it's fun. Not much water here, guys. This pond is full of weed, which is why I'm using the fly rod. I'm not using any bait this morning. They're having some fun. Trying to get that fly. Look. Savage for it. Oh, that one was vicious for it. He had a jump in there. Not very big, but that's fine. It's just fun. Out there, maybe. Get my hook rod out there. Hook out there. Yeah, they're right there. So folks, pretty good morning. Never got any trout. There's a lot of tiny ones here and I just caught them and let them go again. I'm using a fly rod with barbless hook, so that makes it easy for catch and release. But it was a bit of fun. Just come out to see if there was anything on the go this morning, basically. Like I said, I was up earlier trying to get salmon. Didn't bother filming that, but it was up to the pond. At the end of this Bellevue River, there's a pond. and did a bit of fishing up there, but left again. No luck. Talking to a guy, he said he saw salmon jump up there, but he had no luck either. Anyway, like I said, decided to come try for a few trout. And like I said, small little trout, but fun to catch. Good morning nonetheless. Gotta head back to the cabin now because I got some things I gotta do today. I got a new project to start. Me and Jeanette got a little project on the go, so I'll take you along with that later on this afternoon. Steep hill. Glad it's not too long, but it's steep. Probably not see it on camera, but it's pretty steep. Well, folks, a squirrel got into me feeder. I was afraid of that. This tree was too close. There was a branch sticking out there, and he jumped from that to the feeder. So he got in there, created a little bit of damage. Still works. You're still getting pictures, no problem. Not put feed out on the wall now because it's summertime, so we let the birds do what birds do. Feed them now more when the times are tough, winter time and stuff. We can see, yeah, squirrel got in there. He chewed up the lens cover, I guess, for the motion sensor. Camera still works. Motion sensor still works. We still getting video pictures coming in from the unit, so that's all good. But yeah, so that's what a squirrel can do. Damage a squirrel can do to a bird feeder. He's tried to chew on the side there too, you can see. Anyway, we're still working anyway. Welcome back, folks. Just sitting here out on the patio, enjoying the day. I got a couple treats here. You heard me mention Alan beer off before. Alan sent me some stuff over the last few months. Sent me the cast iron fryer pan a couple weeks ago, and in that package there's also some freeze-dried Mountain House vanilla flavored ice cream. I've never had a freeze-dried ice cream before. You?
No, not at all.
So he sent us two, one for me and one for Jeanette. So we're going to give them a try here now. Here you go, dear.
Thank you very much.
Let's see. There's nothing else we can do. We just eat it like it is, I think.
Ready to eat. No drips, no messes.
There you go. All right, freeze-dried ice cream. First time I've ever had this, I gotta say. Oh, it's wrapped up inside too. Okay. Let's see what we got here. See what it tastes like. Okay, it's a bit crumbly.
I would say mine got crushed.
This got crushed in the mail, I guess. Oh yeah, it is crushed. All right, just be very careful with it. Let's have a look. Oh yeah, it does taste like ice cream. Yours? Yeah?
I'm thinking more like pavlova. Meringue. It's tasty.
It's good.
It's very tasty.
Anyway, it's wafer though. Anyway, it's good. Thank you, Alan, buddy. My first time eating
Ice cream with my fingertips.
freeze-dried ice cream, I was going to say. Anyway, we're going to sit here and finish these off. But yeah, go check out Mountain House ice cream sandwiches, guys. Got 140 calories, and you just eat it right out of the package, freeze-dried, nothing to it. All right, I'll sit here and finish these off. So folks, we got a new project on the go here today. And first thing I got are the instructions. So you see earlier, we do our cooking on the other side of the cabin out by the front door because it's close to the kitchen. But when you go out there in the afternoon trying to cook, it is hot. So we picked up a little project for me and Jeanette to put together today. And it is basically an awning, a 10-foot awning that we're going to put out over that cooking area. Keeps the sun off us.
Opens up that patio to be able to sit in the evening if we wanted.
Yeah, we got this one here. We got this little gazebo thing or two-seater here that we enjoy. Sit out here in the evening and get the shade of the sun, shade of the cabin on this at this time of day. But like I said, midday out there for cooking lunch out at the barbecue, it gets really hot. So anyway, our project today is to put together this awning. And we've read the instructions, or I've read the instructions. Jeanette's read the instructions, so she'll keep me straight going forward. But yeah, I'm going to put you on time lapse here now, and we'll get this thing put together.
Tight up there now.
Yeah.
Bottom ones need to be tightened up. Would you tighten them? Okay. Okay. Now we need a couple of drinks.
Oh, now we need a drink. Huh. Stay tuned, guys. We'll get some drinks. No, this is the completion of the project. We come out here, we sit down sometimes, and we cook here on the patio, and as the sun comes around, it's really, really hot. So Jeanette had the great idea that we go look for an awning. We've seen this while we're on vacation on many places, and I was like, yeah, well, we could get one to fit here. And an Amazon order later showed up, And we had a little bit of trouble. I will
You'll
not
say a few swear words later.
I will not. I will say that for sure. There was a few prayers said in putting it together, but we got it done, and it works fine. That's what we want. Keep just a bit of shade now when we come out here to cook supper or just come out and have a drink. We had the little patio furniture on the front with the awning on it that we use all the time. But this is a nice addition. Anyway, another project completed. We shall see. Oh, well, we won't leave it out like this, of course. Nighttime and that, put it back up. It's only a matter of cranking it up there. And might even take it down for the season because there's only 2 bolts holding it in place on the brackets. 2 security bolts. Take them off and store it away for the winter. Anyway, folks, stay tuned.
See you.